Cast is now.
Welcome everyone to the Charts of the Day video for June 24th, 2019. Today I wanted to take a look at some of those natural gas stocks that I suggested that we would look at last week when I showed you natural gas, UNG, NG, and the potential for a bottom forming there. So Mr. Bruce kindly sent me a list of some names to take a look at. These are the ones that I found interesting. Starting off with RRC. We've posted this one a number of times in stock waves. It continues to suggest a bottom approaching with a very nice three-wave structure off of the 2014 high as a clear A, B, and C so far. Perfect positive divergence on the technicals in relation to the C wave compared to wave A. Nice five-wave structure for that C wave and approaching a 618 retrace, which is at 561. So far, price is trying to curl up from the 1236 extension there at 648. It's possible that's close enough for a bottom to be forming, but ultimately we'll need something like 5 waves up off the low and then a break back above $12 as prior fourth wave high to get confirmation of a bottom in place. TGP was another name that looked interesting. It has a pretty clear leading diagonal structure here, which could be a wave 1, but should at the very least be an A wave, a nice 3-wave pullback into a little bit beyond a 618 retrace as either a B wave or wave 2. Since then, though, this is only a 3-wave move off of the January low. So that suggests either a larger leading diagonal or larger ending diagonal. If a leading diagonal, this could be the 1-2. If a larger ending diagonal, this should be the A, B, and up next would be wave C of 1. Near-term expectations for both, relatively the same. Possible it needs one more local low here to the 50 or 618 retrace at 1289 to 1235, but getting back above this cluster of moving averages would be a good indication that the bottom may have already been struck. GLNG, we have another leading diagonal structure here off 2016, but compared to the last chart, this one also has a higher degree 5 up at a larger degree off the 2009 low. So cycle degree wave 1 or A wave, cycle degree wave 2 or B wave, and potential leading diagonal wave 1 start to either C wave or third wave to the upside. Zooming into the correction off of the 2018 high, nice 3-wave structure here. However, if this is going to be a standard ABC, the C wave does look like it is missing the final 4th and 5th. It could bottom as a WX and Y. We are approaching the 618 retrace, but any bounce that kind of fails to break out of the trend channel or gives us a clear 3 waves to the upside could then turn back down in a 5th for a double bottom or a lower low into this blue box here. GLOP was another interesting looking chart. Can definitely get 5 waves off of the 2016 low as a standard impulse rather than a leading diagonal compared to some of those other names. Nice 3-wave decline since that high in 2017. Much higher level of consolidation or decline as well here. And then what can be another impulsive looking move off of the December low with a 3-wave pullback off the February high into the April low. So this can be another 1-2 start to either a C wave or a what would be a larger wave 1 here at intermediate degree. But we do need a little bit more confirmation off of the more recent April low. The price structure there is not clearly impulsive yet, and does look like if we are going to get 5 waves that it should be as a leading diagonal. This should be the 1-2. Possible that was enough for the 3rd, this is the 4th, and we just need one more higher high as a 5th, or this is the A wave of the 3rd, B wave, and this is a 1-2 start to wave C. In either case, at the very least a higher high to allow for a potential 5 waves up. And then the final chart I want to take a look at is GLOG. Another standard impulse in this case off the 2016 low, nice 5-wave structure there into the 2017 high. And what I really liked about this one is the very clear higher high here made on a B wave. On a 3-wave move, marginally higher high, argues very well for being an expanded flat. However, the C wave down, if this is going to be a standard ABC, also looks like it is missing the final 4th and 5th on this chart as well. So between kind of where we're at right now, this 1291 fib, this 1179 fib is where this wave 3 should bottom, bounce in the wave 4, and if it does not clear resistance or gives us a 3-wave move to the upside, another drop down as the 5th to put in the C wave and wave 2 bottom there at around $11. So definitely some interesting names to take a look at and some seemingly longer term possibilities here that we can maybe take advantage of. So keep an eye on those charts. That's all I had for you guys today. See you again next time.